Back to Market Day Report. We are 10 minutes to the top of the hour, and let's go back to Chicago. Todd Horwitz joining us, a regular contributor here, Market Day Report. It's Bubba Trading, and the website is bubbatrading.com. Many times, Todd will have webinars, and he'll have that on the website. If you go there, you'll find out when they are. They are free for you to join in and learn more about a marketing plan that might work for you. Livestock trade here, bearish or bullish in the cattle trade?
Well, we're having a webinar Thursday, by the way, but I'm bullish longer term, but right here in the fats, I'm a little concerned. I'm not really concerned. I'm looking for a pullback back to 106. I thought 109 was a great spot to get to. Our first target was 106. We got through there. Then we got to 109. Now I look for a pullback back to 106. I'm looking for spots to buy. I'm not selling. I'm only a buyer. There was a lot of panic out there. There was a lot of selling in the streets. And all of a sudden, that panic is drying up, and now some of the cash money is starting to come in and buy. I look for higher prices here, but I would like to see 106 to jump back in. The feeders have been more of a conundrum, or they can't really get off the deck here, but I'd be a buyer of feeders anywhere around 130. I think this is a pretty good level. I think they're going to try to work their way higher. I think overall the markets are going to be solid. Again, for the same reasons we looked at the grains, we have those same instances playing out here in livestock. I think you want to look to be a buyer at some point. I think we're going to see higher prices coming forward.
Well, a year ago, back over 165, 168 just a year ago on those October feeders. So again, and you were talking about that building this herd is going to take some time, but now we got to work through all these numbers. Hog trade, I'll get the numbers for those folks tuning in, or what the futures are doing right now. Want to get your thoughts in the pork trade. A little bit higher here today. You friendly or not, and where we are in October hogs?
I'm friendly. I'm actually, as you know, I told you, I'm a little bit underwater myself on it, but I think that we're at an okay level. I think the real battleground will come back when we get back to 58. I think we'll see 58, and then we're going to really make that decision if we can go forward from there. I believe they're going to break out back to the upside, but it will take a little bit of work. It's not going to be easy. We're not going to explode up tomorrow. I think down here, if you're looking to get in, these are probably pretty good spots to get in, and you're going to watch, and there'll be a little bit of issue around 58, but if we can get through there, I think 64 is clear sailing, but I do like them. Obviously I'm a little bit underwater myself, but I do think that we're going higher, but I'm going to be watching closely at 58.
And seasonally, doesn't history says that early in the fourth quarter, a little bit of time for our meats, beef and pork?
Typically, yes, and of course, if you look at the chart, you'll see backwardation until December, and then we go back into contango, so you'll see that they start to lift up. But again, I think this is a little bit different kind of a year, just in general. I mean, all the outside factors that have affected these markets as well, I think are playing out, and I think we're a little bit, we've kind of overshot our ground. I think there's good things ahead.
Very good. Well, Todd, thanks for your time today. We look forward to our visit tomorrow as well.
Thanks, Mark.
All right, good to see you and hear from you. Todd Horwitz, Bubba Trading. It's bubbatrading.com. As promised.